Now I intend to contribute to my Roth IRA this year. I take money from my paycheck, but first Uncle Sam will take his cut. I direct my after-tax money to the Roth IRA. And over the years, my money will grow and it won't be taxed. I'm taking advantage of tax-free growth. This is one of the biggest benefits of the Roth IRA. The cost of a college education is one of the biggest expenses parents have to face. It doesn't help when the average cost of college has been appreciating at twice the rate of inflation. Given the current environment, it's safe to forecast expenses increasing at 6% annually. A newborn in year 2004 will be facing an average 4-year private school bill of $365,000 when they reach age 18. Actually, the parents will be facing the bill. What do you do to prepare for this? The most important thing to do is to start early. You can invest in mutual funds for college and also be able to take advantage of tax-free growth. You can with the 529 plan. The 529 plan is a state-sponsored college savings plan. You open the account in your name and make a child the beneficiary. You control the account the entire time. The maximum amount you can contribute varies state by state. For example, the Virginia College Savings Plan College America will allow you to invest $250,000 over the life of the account. For 2008, the average public 4-year college was $69,344. For a family with 3 children and a child who's currently 1 year old, should expect to see a 4-year college bill of $204,215. For a 5-year-old child who has 13 years to have the money invested, $161,758. Finally, for the 10-year-old, which is an 8-year time horizon until they're ready for school, expect to pay $120,875 for 4 years at a public institution. The economy, interest rates, and indicators. Congress in 1913 created an independent banking institution called the Federal Reserve. This powerful institution controls the federal funds rate, which are the interest rates that banks charge each other for overnight lending. Decisions on raising and lowering interest rates are made by the 12-member FOMC, or Federal Open Market Committee, and they meet 8 times a year. The Federal Reserve makes money more readily available or less available by manipulating the cost of money through interest rates. The access to capital is controlled by interest rates. Key economic indicators. These are the major indicators that economists look at to gauge the overall health of the economy. Consumer confidence, retail sales, gross domestic product, consumer price index, producer price index, unemployment, housing starts. Consumer confidence is one of the most important indicators. Perception plays an important role in the economy. Consumer spending accounts for over 2/3 of U.S. economic activity, and it's based on sentiment. It is a survey that basically finds out how confident people are in the strength of the economy. Retail sales is expressed as a percentage change from the previous month. It includes the sale of all major goods in the economy. How many cars, building materials, and groceries have been bought by U.S. consumers? Is it higher or lower than the previous month? Gross domestic product measures the overall value of goods and services. It's expressed as a percentage. An annual rate of 3 to 3.5% annual growth is considered normal. GDP is a measure of overall inflation. The Consumer Price Index is also a major indicator of inflation. The indicator measures the prices of retail goods in the economy. The Producer Price Index is also a major indicator of inflation. The indicator measures the prices of wholesale goods in the economy. The unemployment rate is a survey which measures the amount of unemployed and is expressed as a percentage. It's one of the most widely looked at indicators. The unemployment rate is usually looked upon as a barometer of the effectiveness of a presidential administration and their record on job creation. Housing starts will represent the demand for housing. This annualized figure will quantify the number of new residential buildings started by construction companies.